What's going on, guys? It's Daniel Patrick here and you are welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, be rest assured that the future of money is here. You came for the content, but try as much as possible to stay for the community. In today's video, you're going to be learning how to earn 6 million Shiba Inu coin for absolutely free, alright, without having to pay for any gas fees. You withdraw to your wallet straight up. Now, this method is very simple. You just have to perform a little tax, alright. It's not something that would take a lot of your time or something that require you to pay money and all that. It's absolutely free. So there's this guy right here called Ima. He's a YouTuber and he's actually the owner of this boat, all right, Ima Shiba Inu boat, as you can see right up there. All right, I've known this guy for long and this guy doesn't dish out fake things. Whenever he drops things like this, it's always real, right? So I'm going to be showing you this withdrawal proof right now so you know that this is legit or genuine. All right, so watch this right now to see how this works.
So in this video I'm going to be drawing this my 1,680,200 Shiba Inu that I have made of these free Shiba Inu Telegram bot. So now let's go withdraw, guys. So now to withdraw, I'm just gonna click on this button over here now, and then I click on this withdraw button, okay, and I'll have to go and get my wallet address, that is my Shiba Inu wallet address. Okay, so let's go to my Trust Wallet account. So here on Trust Wallet, I will have to search for Shiba Inu, and here I have over 5 million Shiba Inu in my account. So now I'm just going to click on receive. Okay, then I copy out the address. Now we go back to the Telegram bot, then I'm just going to paste the address and click send. Okay, and now let's go withdraw 1,680,200 Shiba Inu. Okay, then I click on send. And remember, this Telegram bot pays automatic. Okay, so let's see if it is going to send me my payment, and here it says withdrawal success, as you can see it here. So now let's head on to my Trust Wallet account again, and here I'll just have to refresh my account and let's confirm if it's made the payment to my wallet. So here is my new account balance, which is now over 6 million Shiba Inu. So this Telegram bot is 100% legit and it requires no investment.
So that is actually how you withdraw from this free Shiba Inu bot after you have accumulated enough coins to withdraw. All right, but here's what you need to know. This is the interesting thing right here. All right, the minimum withdrawal is just 2,000 Shib. All right, and you just have to invite one person to meet this requirement. It's as easy as ABC. Just one person, and you can withdraw and try out this to confirm whether or not this actually pays. Just one person, guys. I mean, I'm going to teach you how to get that one person if you stick with me to the very end of this video. Now, if you can look very clearly here, it is written that as you can see, this is Shiba Inu bot, Ima Shiba Inu bot, just like the one you just saw. And as you can see here, it says, what can this bot do? Now, warning, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel to be able to withdraw. So you just have to click that link right now and subscribe to the channel to be able to withdraw. Now, the daily bonus is 200. I'm going to show you how to claim your daily bonus every day. All right. And the minimum withdrawal invite bonus is 2,000 Shib. That is what you just need to withdraw. All right. So you can win 6 million Shiba weekly from your referral contest. All right. So this is how you actually win the 6 million Shiba Inu coin. The minimum withdrawal, like I told you before, is 2,000 Shiba Inu, and you can withdraw to any wallet. All right, as far as you're withdrawing to Shiba Inu BEP20 wallet, let it be BEP20, and I'm going to show you also how to get that. So how do you jump into this right now? I'm going to show you how to do that, but before I do that, I know lots of people are going to be saying 2,000 Shiba Inu coins is nothing, but here's the thing. Imagine SHIB turns to $1 tomorrow. All right, that is $2,000 sitting right there in your wallet. All right, so this is something you have to get on board. This is something you have to jump into right away. So I'm just going to click on that link right now to subscribe to the channel. All right, we're going to ask to do it again, but first off, I'm going to click on that link right now to subscribe to the channel. As you can see right here, it just led me to YouTube. I'm just going to clear off this ad, and next I'm going to click on subscribe right now. And after clicking on subscribe, I'm going to head back to that bot right now and then click on start. All right, you want to click on this start button right here. Once you click on start, you see this prompt that comes up that says you must join all channels to get your payment. So as you can see, the first one is the private channel, second private channel, third private channel, join Ima Boot Official, private channel, join Ima Boot Official, and YouTube channel. These are easy tasks, as easy as ABC, and you just have to do them right here on Telegram. All right, so after you join all these channels, just click join. All right, if you don't join them and you click join, you're gonna have issues receiving your payment, right? So you just have to join all these channels as quick as possible. I'm just going to do that right now in front of you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and join channel 1 and click on join. Go to channel 2, 3, and once you are done joining all this, just go ahead and click the join button right now. All right, we're going to be redirected to YouTube again, and as you can see here, it says that I am subscribed to their YouTube channel. If you're subscribed, there's no need to do anything again. Just come back and then click on joined. Immediately click on join, it's going to say please send the text seen on the image above. All right, not case sensitive, so just type it in exactly as you see it. So I'm just going to type that code, which is r lowercase r, uppercase FH, and lowercase FR. All right, so once you click type that, just click on send. All right, in your case it's going to be different, this is mine. All right, just type whatever you see in your own. All right, so immediately you click on send, you're going to see this menu bar right here pop up, which is going to show your balance, your rev start, your withdrawal, and more, and bonus. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on balance, and as you can see here, I have zero balance. All right, I have to invite people to be able to claim their coins. All right, so and I'm going to move on bonus right now. I'm just going to click on bonus, and as you can see, congratulations, you have earned 200 Shiba Inu coins. All right, and that's it for that. I'm going to click on rev stats. All right, the most important thing in this rev stats is where you get to see your invitation link. You get to see how many people you have invited and how many are actually participating in this airdrop right now. All right, it's kind of an airdrop. All right, so you can see says you have invited 0 referrals, active is 0, inactive is 0, and from referrals is 0. But I know very soon all that's going to get filled up. Now share your referral link to your friends and you get 2,000 Shiba Inu when they join. You shouldn't use artificial ways to join or promote, because we pay for real, reference only. So this is a referral link, and like I told you before, I'm going to show you how to get people. All right, I'm going to show you a strategy. I'm going to give you I'm going to type in a text that you can use to really attract people that would like to join this. All right, but before that, I'm going to click on withdraw right now. All right, so I'll show you how to actually get your BEP20 wallet for Shiba Inu, because a lot of people get it mixed up. So you don't go pick ARC20, all right, because if you pick ARC20, that's where the problem comes in. All right, so I'm just going to go over to my Trust wallet right now, open that up, and then if you don't have a Trust wallet, you can go to Google Play Store, download one. It's very important. All right, Trust wallet is best. Download Trust wallet, and don't use your main account if you already have. You can just go over to the settings bar right there and create a new wallet. Just go over to the setting bars, click on multi-coin wallet, and then click on the plus sign right there and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet. I always advise people to have an airdrop wallet and the main account. All right, so just in case of any irregularities or just to stay safe, click on your airdrop wallet. I already have one, so I'm just going to select that. I'm in the airdrop wallet right now, and if you notice, there's no Shiba Inu coin right here. So just click on the horizontal line at the top right hand corner of your screen, and once you click on that, you're going to be given the opportunity to type in a wallet address of the a particular coin you're looking for, or just go ahead and search for the coin with the name and toggle it on. All right, so I just type in Shiba right there, and I'm going to toggle on the one that says BEP20 at the very top right there. So I'm just going to toggle that on right now and then return back to the wallet. Now if you return back to the wallet, what you just have to do is to click on it and click on copy. All right, so that is the wallet address you are meant to copy for this very tax. All right, so that you'll be able to withdraw whenever you have invited at least one person. All right, so just click on receive, then click copy and copy your wallet address, as easy as ABC. So heading back to the Telegram bot right now, I'm just going to paste that in my text field right now, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the send button just to see what it will show me. And as you can see here, it says for you to withdraw, you need to have at least 2,000 Shiba coin. All right, so you need to you must have invited at least one person to be able to withdraw. All right, so as you can see, guys, this is real, this is legit, genuine, whatever word for positivity you can think of. So let's get to the scary part, the part that is scary for most people, and this is where a lot of people decline because they don't really know how to get this message out there to a lot of people. So first thing first, you have to use my invitation link, all right, my referral link, and join this Telegram bot. All right, if you join and perform the task, I get something. All right, let's see, that's is as a compensation for creating this video for you. Then after that, what you have to do now is to come over to your browser and use the link in the description of this video. Just check the description of this video. You're going to see a link that says Shib boat promotion file link. Alright, right now it's blurred because I don't want people to get into the link and start viewing it and all that, but by the time you'll be watching this video, this link will actually be available right now. Alright, you just have to click on that blurred part right now and it will direct you to the file, which you see a file I've prepared for you, which you can post on social media and use it to promote your own affiliate link. Alright, but before you do that, just go ahead and click on that Daniel Patrick crypto link right there so you can join the group. It's very important to join the group. Right, so you just head over to the Telegram group and join the group. Let's just say you do this for me as a compensation for creating this video for you. With that being said, let's head back to the link right now and click on that very link and go over to Google Docs. All right, because that's where the link is going to redirect you to. Again, what you click is Daniel Pat Crypto and not Daniel Patrick. Alright, after that you click on that link that is actually blurred right now but would be available by the time you're watching this video. So once you click on that link, you're going to appear on a page that looks like this, and as you can see, it says, attention all Shiba Inu fans, do you want to earn free Shiba Inu coins? Look no further than this amazing new boat. This boat pays real Shiba Inu coins to users for completing simple tasks such as joining a couple of Telegram groups and subscribing to a YouTube channel, which just takes less than 5 minutes. Here's how it works. Very easy. All right, I don't want to review the rest, but by the time you're viewing this, you'll be able to see everything. So just go over to your Facebook account right now, hit the search bar and type in Shiba Inu and click search. But once you type that keyword into the search bar, just click on groups and you see a bunch of groups which you can join. All right, just join one of them or join as many as you can. Those ones you know are active, and click on the visit button. And whenever you enter any of these groups, you just have to click on the write something bar right there or the post bar and open it up and copy that message I just sent to you, I just dropped for you on the doc file. Copy that message and paste it here with your affiliate link. Alright, you see a space for your affiliate link. Alright, just post it to as many groups you can. Alright, also drop it in the comment section. Join similar groups that are related to Shiba Inu, such as cryptocurrency groups. I think that's where you even find a broader audience. Alright, so this is how you promote this. Now for those who still want me to withdraw this to prove to them that this is actually real, I'm going to do a withdrawal right now. All right, right here, as you can see, I now have 2,400 Shiba Inu, and I'm going to do this just to make sure that everything is okay, that this actually works. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on the withdraw button. Now once you click on the withdraw button, you're going to see this message pop up, and this message is going to ask you to still subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn notification bells on. All right, so if you didn't subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn notification bell on, you just have to. All right, I'm already subscribed to the channel, you already subscribed, my notification bell is turned on, so I'm just going to go back right now and click on done. All right, and just in case you click on done and you see error that you should repeat the same message, just go ahead and open up that link again. Just click on the open, click on the link, click on open, and let it redirect you to YouTube, and then come back to the app again and click on done. All right, just to make sure everything is okay. You just have to repeat this again and again until you get to show a message that says please send your wallet address. And once it says send your Shiba wallet address, just go over to your Trust wallet right now and open that up. Like I told you before, you should only copy your BEP20 Shiba Inu wallet address. All right, so just click on Shiba Inu and click on receive and then click on copy. All right, once you click on copy, head back to the group and paste that in there and click on send. As easy as ABC. Once you send that, it's going to ask you to put in the amount you want to withdraw. Right, send now the amount of Shiba Inu you want to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw everything, which is 2,400, as you're seeing right there. The 400 is for my bonus, the 2,000 is just for one person. Like I told you, just one invite and you withdraw. So I'm just, as you can see right here, it says withdraw success. I'm just going to head over back to my Trust wallet right now and refresh this, and voila, as you can see, 2,400 Shib right there, and the notification was just sent 2,400 Shib. I just withdraw that right now. So as you can see, guys, this is legit, this is genuine. There's nothing you need to worry about. Mind you, this won't last for long. It usually lasts between 2 weeks to 1 month. So the earlier you get in, the better for you. Besides, you have nothing to lose. The boat might still open up, and you might still be able to claim this coin later in the future, but you don't really know when it's going to shut down. All right, so just do it now that you have the opportunity. If you're really pumped up about this right now, just hit that like button right now and go to the comment section and say thank you for this video, or thank you, and I really appreciate that. Now let me do a rundown of the whole thing. Right now, what you have to do once you log into this boat, at first all you have to do is to click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, you are meant to perform all the tasks you see here, which is just very simple, right? Most of them are on Telegram. The only thing that takes you outside of this app is the YouTube. All right, after that you click on bonus, which would ask you to solve that recaptcha by typing the words you see, and then you claim the bonus by clicking on get bonus. After that you click on the restart, which is a referral start, where you get to see the breakdown of everything, people you have invited, those that are inactive. Now those that are inactive are people that haven't completed the whole task. That's why I advise you to perform the task properly, complete the whole task. If not, these coins will not reflect in your wallet or in the boats right here on Telegram. All right, and by so doing you will not be able to withdraw. After that you click on withdraw as easy as ABC. I repeat, you must perform the task properly and correctly, all right, to be able to claim that cryptocurrency, this Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell on to all, so you don't miss out whenever I create video updates like this. All right, I create cryptocurrency videos on how to mine Shiba Inu coins, Doge coins, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and the like. So if you are really pumped up about videos like this, then you might want to subscribe to the channel. You can also join our social media handles, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Highly advisable, so that whenever we drop updates like this, you also be one of the first to get notified. All right, I remain your crypto guide, Daniel Patrick, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.